takeoff.
I am Colin Edwards.
How you doing, guys, and welcome to another video. A long overdue video, but I'm so glad I got the chance to finally get around and do one. And yeah, I've just been so busy with work and working 5 days a week and trying to get my videography business off the ground. There's just so much going on, and I've just been sent products that haven't even been worth reviewing, to be honest. So I'm not going to waste my time and yours. But finally, I've got my hands on something that I've really wanted for a long time since they first announced them, and that is the Master Airscrew Mavic Air props, the Stealth Props. So they released a version 1, which was about $20 recently. And yeah, some people had a lot of good success with it. Some people said it gave them a motor current error. But there was just a few steps that you had to make to get rid of that. But we'll go through that in a second anyway. So first of all, let's see what you get in the box. So we've got the box. And in the box you get instructions. Yep, we don't need those. And then you get some nice stickers. So these are Master Airscrew stickers, and you get 2 small ones at the top and a big one at the bottom. And then the most important part is this little quick start guide, yeah? So this tells you how to change your pitch, roll, yaw rates, everything else, and what numbers to change them to in order so you don't get that motor current error. Let me focus in on that again, okay? I didn't do that because I wanted to see if mine performed okay without changing these numbers here. And yeah, we'll get into that in a second again. So here's the props. So I've got 3 colors here, which are the black, the magenta, and the baby blue or sky blue or whatever you want to call it. Very nice props. They're very flexible as well. So you know these aren't going to crack on you if it hits anything, or they're not going to crack in the air. Very good quality. Like, yeah, these are just really nice. Really good job on these. And just to compare them to the original Mavic Air prop, which is roughly about the same size. It just feels a bit more rigid as well, but quite flexible at the end. These just feel a bit more flexible, yeah, in the tips, but very well made, very nicely done here. Yeah, so here they are on my Mavic Air. Just focusing on that now. Again, they look very nice, kind of got a glossy finish on there. So yeah, very nice, very nice. And I know a lot of people, you know, said that the Mavic Air was fine, that the noise, it wasn't that loud. Trust me, that thing is a beast when it's in the air. Like, it really annoys me. The only negative thing I'll say about it is the damn thing is so loud, man. It is so loud. And that was one thing that drew me to the Anafi, is that, you know, everyone says it's so quiet, but this thing is really loud. I mean, I had it so high up today and I could still hear it. But anyway, it's done now. It's bought, it's flown, so I'm not going to bother send it back. That's it. Listen, I've been threatened before when I've been flying my drone, so I wanted something as quiet as possible. So when they released these, and I was so happy because the Mavic Air is like my favorite drone. It does everything I need it to. I've got no reason to upgrade it. It's just the noise was my only bugbear. So I was happy when, you know, when these props started coming out, and from a reputable company as well. So anyway, without further ado, let's go outside now. Oh, before we go outside, I want to give a massive shout out to big Drone Flyer77. So he's the one that spoke to Master Airscrew for me, and that's the reason why they sent me the 3 sets of props. So thank you, Donnie. Thank you for sorting it out for me. Guys, I will leave a link to his channel. He covers drones more than me. He does a lot more than me. So if you're really into drones and you want to see all the, you know, the latest stuff or good advice, he's the man. Okay, so just go and follow him. Well, okay, without further ado, let's jump outside. Nah, joke, I'm still here. I don't do none of that stuff. I do this. Whoop! No, I'm joking. Let's go. So there you have it, guys. That was the review of the Master Airscrew props and the flight test. And I must say, I'm extremely happy with these. Like, it has fulfilled everything that they said it would do. And the sound, the pitch sound is so much lower. And that was a big problem of mine with the Mavic Air. And it is now thankfully solved. The Master Airscrew props, have a look at these. Again, nice quality there. You can see very well made. These are not going to snap on you. They are very flexible, but they're so light. They will do a fantastic job. Trust me, love it. Beautiful. So as I said, these retail for about $19.95. And guys, if you trust me, if you've got the same problem which I have with the Loud Mavic Air, you really want to get those. Increasing flight time. I'm not going to test that really. I know I probably should and to do a full review, but I don't think I think I'm going to leave it there. The flight time for me for the Mavic is fine. I can, you know, I plan my shots in my head, go out and fly and do what I need to do and then bring it back. And I've I've never actually run mine down to below about 40% because I always know what I'm doing. But there's plenty of videos out there, guys, of people doing, you know, sport mode tests and all that. But if that was me, I'd probably just go and buy a race drone if I wanted to fly it fast. My Mavic Air, I just want it reliable, in the air, capture the shots that I want and I need, and then done. So Master Airscrew, thanks again. I'll have to thank you about 1,000,000 times on this, you know, seriously, because you've just done a stellar job and I'm so happy. And yeah, beautiful. And trust me, if anything happens to these props, I will definitely buy another set from you guys. So guys, thanks for watching. If you've got anything you need to know or any questions you want to ask, put them down in the comment section and I'll be happy to answer them. Until the next video, which I won't leave so long this time, take care and I will see you later. Bye.